You are looking at an ultraviolet lamp of our production, designed to replace the Philips TUV 36T5 lamps of the Bactericidal units. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz lamp. Its labeling options are listed on the page on the website. Characteristics. The lamp has 2 ceramic bases with 4 pins on one side. The power is 40 watts. Operating current is 0.425 A. The power of your radiation is 16 watts. Dimensions. The length of the lamp is 843 mm. Arc length 750 mm. The diameter of the tube is 15 mm. The diameter of the plinth is 19 mm. Lifetime 11,000 hours. You can see all technical parameters in the lamp passport. Each bulb is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with a soft protection filler inside. We guarantee safety on delivery and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for all types of germicidal systems. Quartz lamp covers, power supplies, seals and connect. All our lamps have a special UV-LivePower Plus compound developed by our engineers applied to the inner surface. It prevents the molecule in the cuticle from penetrating the quartz glass, prolonging the efficiency of the lamp life. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.